have a lot of fun. Before that, we need some craft materials. We need some papers. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's go. First step for making a 100-feet rocket is to turn the page. Now, let's take the middle part and keep it at the top. Okay? Come as one and press it on the right and on the left. So, entering it, just put the digit and your fourth finger and your fifth finger should dip it and compress it. Okay. Now, let's see the page and open it. See the symbol? It looks like a book. Yeah, like we close and we are opening the book. So now, let's turn the page. Okay. Take the top and confirm. Okay. Compress it. Now, again, come at the first position and bend it. Okay, did it? Now let's keep it straight. You see the back part and the front part. Now let's take the tip. Bring it near me so our friends can see it. Now let's take the tip, bring it down to the line. See this line? Yeah, bring it over right here. Near the line. Should not pass the line. Okay? Press it. Now let's take the other side.
In the back, it comes in the front like this.
Yes.
Right?
Now let's take the other side and do the same. Now let's bend it. Take the claw and bend it. Oh, see the smart rocket? Sure.
Yeah, it's not funny. Cute.
Now let's wait. Before we go to the other side, take the tip.
Okay. And you should do
Good.
like this.
Let's take it. Go up to the line. Wait, till the arm bend. It's the bend, right?
Yeah, over here.
Let's turn it. Take the tip. And here.
This one we did in the first step.
No, there was the third step.
Yeah.
Now let's take the other side and do the same. Now you get the diamond shape.
Like this is
Let's do it. Now let's. You see these two holes? There are two things. One behind, one at the front.
yeah.
And you see this pocket? We should have the middle of the video. Now, let's take this, okay,
Okay.
bend it.
Okay.
And here, you see this pocket, right?
Yeah.
Put it from the side, not from the top. If you put it from the top, it will tear.